Today I want to teach you with this video how to make these eyelashes on these eyes. We already have the tutorial on this channel to make these beautiful eyes. In the description of this video I will share the link with you. For this project I will use Eulali. The brand yarn Eulali is 100% cotton yarn and it's about 1 millimeter. We will use black, blue, and white. You can change the blue for whatever color that you prefer. And for this yarn, I will use 1.60 millimeters hook. Then, if you are ready, let's start to make the eyelashes. When you finish the first eyes with that tutorial that I share with you on the description of this video, where when you finish the first eyes, you can cut this yarn. You don't need a long yarn, only for clothes later, using a wool needle and secure and hide it. And that's it. And when you finish the second eyes, you don't cut the yarn because we will continue making the eyelash. We will start with 2 slip stitch. We will make a bigger one and 3 more small. And starting with the bigger one, 2 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. One and 2, 4 chains, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the second chain, we will start to do 1 slip stitch, all time taking the back loops only, this loop on the back. 1 and 2 here, 1 slip stitch. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. And in the last chain, 1 half double crochet. Skip 1 point and in the next one, 1 slip stitch, all time taking the back loops only. And that's it, we already finished the bigger one. Now 3 small more. And we will start for each one with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. In the second one, start to do 1 slip stitch, taking the back loop all time. 1 slip stitch. In the next chain, 1 single crochet. Skip 1 point. And in the next one, 1 slip stitch. And we will repeat the same 2 times more, 3 times in total. Three chains, 1, 2, and 3. In the second chain, 1 slip stitch. In the last chain, 1 single crochet. Skip 1 point, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. Repeat again, one more time, 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. In the second chain, 1 slip stitch. In the last chain, 1 single crochet. Skip 1 point, and in the next one, 1 slip stitch. Now you can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make later the union with the head or with the face, and also to make the eyes brown. That's it. We already finished the first eyes. we will make the second eye. We will make some detail area different where we will start, because we will start in the another side. I will show you now. We will start in the point number 13 on this direction. Count 13, 1, when we finished, remember, 1, 2, 1, sorry, first, I'm so sorry, first you need to prepare the slip knot and will be better. And now count 13 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Taking the back loops only, take this loop that we already have from the slip knot, and we will start making the bigger eyelashes. And we will start on this case with 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Starting in the second one, we will start with 1 slip stitch, in the last chain 1 single crochet, skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch, and we will repeat the same 2 times more. 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. In the second chain 1 slip stitch on the back, taking the back loops, and in the last chain 1 single crochet, skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch. 3 chains again, 1, 2, and 3. In the second chain, taking the back loop, 1 slip stitch, and in the last chain 1 single crochet, skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch. And now we will start with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the second chain we will start with 1 slip stitch, in the next chain 1 single crochet, and in the last chain 1 half double crochet, skip 1 point, and in the next one 1 slip stitch, and that's it. We already finished this eye too. You can cut the yarn, leaving enough yarn to make the union with the face and also to make the eyes brown. And that's it. Put it on the back and secure. And now I will show you how to close using a wool needle this thread and also secure. Then pay close attention and you can see how I do it that. Then we already finished this detail. I hope and you like it, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me your like and your comments. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. YouTube detect that our tutorial like and continue share with more and more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until the next one, bye bye.